Almighty Allah Almighty has said that a sign for them is a dead land that I have arranged and produce grain. They eat it. I produce more on it that dates and flowing streams. Fruit can eat. Surah Yasin verse number 33. Almighty God Rabbul Al-Amin said in another Quranic verse about this poor person that the environment is healthy, beautiful, and well maintained. In this way, to love the nature, Almighty Allah Himself has told us that we must be careful to preserve the balance of the environment and thus move forward. A wise man first feels something with his heart, then comments on it. A fool first sits down to comment, and then thinks. Hazrat Ali Radiallahu Ta'ala.